Hello, it's Laney Shaughnessy and Burl Tichenor, and we're here to talk to you about the Digital Wood Carver User Groups meeting this summer. We've got some exciting things coming up, and I think every one of them should be ready to attend. What do we got? June, July, and November. We're going to be in the Northeast, the Southeast, and then, of course, we call it the Midwest over in Dayton, Ohio. June is going to be Easton, PA. July, we're going to be in Ocala, Florida, my hometown. And November, we're going to be in Dayton, Ohio. So if you're in any of those areas, please come on out and join us at the Digital Wood Carver User Group meeting. There's a lot of things that they can learn at these meetings, right?
Yes. Why don't you tell them a little bit about the classes that we're going to go over as far as software, and then we're also going to go over some maintenance and alignments and stuff like that.
Absolutely. Now, one of the things that if you watch me, you're our customers, you watch me every Monday night on Spindle TV. These classes that we're going to have at the user group meeting, you're not going to see each week on Spindle TV. These are just going to be for the users that come out and join us for our live workshops. Now, we're going to be talking with, working with the 2440s. We're going to be working with the mini carvers. We're going to talk a little bit about the lasers and some of our attachments. And all of you users that use the Vectric V-Carve Desktop, V-Carve Pro, or Vectric Aspire, we have some lessons for you. And I've got some great projects this year for them this summer. It's going to be
Laney,
fun.
let me tell them about the thing that I enjoy, and I know it's a thing that you enjoy too,
right,
is when customers bring their projects and their ideas that they share with each other.
Absolutely, we call that show and tell. That's my favorite. You know, when we were younger, we used to love show and tell when we were in school, and it's as an adult, the show and tell at the user group meetings is great because I actually learn some things from the users when they bring out their projects, their trials, their tribulations, as well as some of the techniques that they use that I might not even know and I can get to pick up on myself. So, it's my favorite.
June? Where's that going to be at?
June is going to be Easton, PA. July is going to be Ocala, Florida. And then November, Dayton, Ohio. Looking forward to it. And we really want you guys and girls to come out and support us and join us. Pick up some nice workshops, some hands-on. And also, it gives you a chance to meet Burl and I, talk with us face-to-face, and things like that. But the real exciting part is all of the friends that you've made in the Digital Wood Carver Owners group, you actually get to meet with them and greet with them and things and put those faces to those names, and it's a great way for them to collaborate and really get to know each other because it makes the community stronger, I think. Yep. So come on out and join us, June, July, and November. Hope to see you there.